I got this rug a few days ago and I put it down on a really rainy day, and as you can see it still has some lines from how it was folded. When I first got it, it was fully folded up and I put weights on each corner to help it straighten out, so it's done a really nice job. I'm confident that it will fully flatten out within the next week. But the reason I got it is to make our front patio prettier. It's made with this really ugly roofing material that not only doesn't look good, but you aren't really supposed to walk on. And I wanted something that I could drag chairs and tables on and not damage the roof with. And you can see the water damage right here, but what I love most about this is that it is plastic. So it dries immediately. It's been soaking wet, and as you can see, minus the edge right here, all the moisture underneath it dried very quickly. It was just raining last night, and this is completely dry, which is really, really incredible. I also walked on it quite a bit when it was soaking wet, and it wasn't slippery at all. So it definitely holds up to the elements, and I think it's beautiful. Really nice stitching, really clean throughout. The underside is well made, and thanks to the way it's stitched, it's really quite sticky, so it doesn't slip or slide. Though if you were using this indoors on a smooth surface, I would recommend some sort of sticky rug mat. But as you can see, I'm using it outdoors and it is perfect. The nuLOOM rug is a beauty.